My car is having the problem with the coolant system. The coolant is just stagnant. There is no circulation in the car, in the engine. And I'm suspecting one, the thermostat. And two, I'm suspecting that the water pump also is having a problem. So I'm checking on the thermostat now. I'm gonna boil it in the water and see if it is opening or not. Check this. After checking this thermostat, you can see that it's opening when it's hot in the hot water, and when I take it out, it's closing slowly and slowly. So that means the thermostat is working. So only the thing that I'm suspecting in this car is the water pump. I tested the water pump in this way. You switch on when the car is on, switch on the heater, the AC on hot, full blast. And if you don't feel any heat from there, You must just think of this water pump that is not working. There's no circulation at all, circulation. So yeah, you better change the water pump. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like my video, and also comment what do you think about this. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.